Welcome to my channel Creativity. I am Bidesh. Today I have came up with another new video for you. Today I will show you how to sculpt a female figure in ordinary water-based clay. Before starting the video, I would say you must subscribe my channel and turn the notification bell on so that no video made by me is missed. First of all, I will create a general shape which I have mentioned in most of my videos. Creating a general shape of body makes the task easier. I will make two legs with soil and cover the upper part of the body with it. I will make the head and two hands and put them in the right place on the body. I will cover the both hands and head well towards the back. At the same time, I will make the folds of the back. I will remove the extra soil and try to create the body shape. I will use long piece of clay to build the muscle of the hands. I will raise the forehead by placing the soil on the top of the head and keep the eye area a little lower. I will make the muscles of the back by applying small pieces of soil on the back. I will lightly rub water on the surface of the body with my fingers. In this way, I will flatten the surface of the body. I will draw a scar with a knife in the place of mouth and raise the nose by putting soil in the place of nose. I will apply soil on the eye area and draw the eye with the help of the knife. I will put some thin pieces of clay in the place of hair and draw the hair with the help of the knife. separate the head from the body and make it. When the head is ready, I will attach it to the body. I will clean the tattoo with a brush. When making fingers, first draw the fingers and then try to shape the fingers by applying soil. You can make small fingers and stick them to the palm of the hand. I will make the sculpture by maintaining the proportion around the body. For this, you must take an anatomy case of female figure. I will apply the previous method to make the fingers. I will make toes and ankles by applying small pieces of clay to the feet. If you want, you can make the feet separately from the body. When the idol is made, I will clean the idol with the help of brush and water.